So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in MMC. You're going to click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on File on the top, and then click on Add/Remove Snapping. And now this will come up. You're going to select Group Policy Object, and then click on Add, and then click on Browse, and then click on Users. And now you want to add the account that you want to add the group policy to. You can choose any account here, or you can choose any option from here, and then click on OK, and then click on Finish, and then click on OK. And now if you want to edit the local group policy for this account, you could just double click on this, and now you could just edit all of this. You could just choose from software settings, administrator templates, and then once you've done all that, you just want to save it. So now we're going to click on File on the top, and then click on Save As. Now you can choose where you want to save it to. So I'm just going to be saving it to my desktop. Name it anything you want. I'm just going to call it the user account name that I put it as, Speedy Tutorials, and then click on Save. And now you should be good to go.